Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be asking ChatGPT, what ChatGPT is. That's right, I'm going to ask a large language model to define itself. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI, based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. It is designed for natural language understanding and generation, making it capable of engaging in text-based conversations with users. ChatGPT can answer questions, provide explanations, generate text, and hold discussions on a wide range of topics. It is part of a family of models that aim to advance the field of natural language processing and improve the capabilities of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. ChatGPT has been used in various applications, including customer support, content generation, and general information retrieval, among others. Keep in mind that my knowledge is based on information available up to September 2021, and there may have been updates or newer versions of ChatGPT since then. Wow, that's a pretty good definition. Thanks, ChatGPT. If you're interested in learning more about ChatGPT, you can visit the OpenAI website.